Financial functions are most used to analyze loans data, investments data, and business data in Microsoft Excel. Excel has many financial functions for analyzing finance and business data. These functions are used to calculate the size of a loan, the number of payments required to repay the loan, the size of each payment, and the amount left to be paid on the loan after a specified length of time has passed. If a company borrows $65,000 at 7% annual interest rate to be repaid quarterly over a 10 years, so what will be the value of rate per quarter? This rate is basically the interest rate of each payment. Company will repay loan payments at that interest rate. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Enter equal sign. Divide the annual interest rate value by quarterly payments per year. What is mean by value 12? Company will repay 12 loan payments per year. So divide 7% by 12 to get interest rate of each loan payment. Click this cell reference. Enter division operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Click Home tab. In number group, convert this value in percentage format. Click General arrow button. Click percentage. You have interest rate per quarter 0.58%. Company will repay loan payments per quarter at that rate. To calculate total number of loan payments for 10 years, active this cell. Click in formula bar. Multiply the value of quarterly payments per year to the value of years. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. So company will repay 120 payments for 10 years. NPER means total number of payments. Now active this cell. I calculate payment amount of each quarter in this cell. Click in Formulas tab. Click Financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click PMT function. This function has 5 arguments. In rate argument, select the cell reference that contains the value of interest rate per quarter. In NPER argument, select the cell reference that contains the value of total number of payments. PV is the present value of the loan. In this case, the loan value is $65,000. The PV argument is positive in PMT function for loans because it describes that the amount of money is coming to the company or individual. But PMT function will return negative value of amount that will show if money is being spent to repay the loan or going away from the individual or company. This is called negative cash flow. Negative cash flow represents a money is being spent to repay the loan or leaving the individual or company. FV is the future value of the loan or a cash balance you want to attain after the last payment is made. This argument is optional and it has default value 0. Type argument is also optional. It specifies payments are made at the beginning of each period or payments at the end of each period. For beginning, enter 1. If you leave blank, in default 0 is entered. In a rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Leave blank these two arguments. This negative value shows that the company will need to make payments of $754.71 in each quarterly payment to repay the loan in 10 years. Click OK. You have quarterly payments $754.71. Company will repay this loan payment amount in each quarter in 10 years at 7% annual interest rate. Company will repay 120 loan payments in 10 years. Future value is 0 because company will completely repay loan payments in 10 years.